Canva part 2. I think things you can do with photos, okay? So I'm gonna have this right here, and we are gonna go we're gonna create, actually, you know what we're gonna do? I'm just gonna go here. And so you can, I hope you have watched number 1 or else you will not know how to do this. You can see I've already made these things by using filters. This one's probably my favorite. I turn them into like really cool things. And next is the fun part. If you want, you can cut them up to really cool things. This is the most we've cut them up. That's also cool. Look at that one. I used 8 things on that. And this one I used 10. Okay, so we're gonna add a new page, and you can so let's say you wanted a picture of a girl. I know that's not how you type, but let's see. You want to glue. So, boom. Okay. So now, what you want to do is tap on the image, and then you go up to here. You can crop it, you can flip it, either way. Information about it. You can animate it, like block, like it'd be like, so it's like you can like zoom in and stuff. And then you can change the colors. Wait, sometimes okay, photo colors, which I think is really awesome. And here we have edit image. Okay, so if you want, you can you can search your thing. Background mover is the one I use the most. Tap on that and it will move the background. And some of them, it will not be able to remove the background. I'm pretty sure they will for this one. Just takes a little bit. And now it's gone. And you can restore it or erase it. You can apply it or not apply it. Okay, now you can do filters, any filters. And you can push see all. You can do warm, cool, and any of those stuff. And smart rock. Okay. Oh, I think you can make it look like that or something. I'm actually sure, I've never used it. You can make shadows and frames. And if you want to scroll down to see all the frames, just tap on the frame you want, push apply, and boom. Two-tone, letter mosaic, and then paint effects. Look, you can choose what makes it look so much paint. Bad TV, color mix. There are a lot more maybe. Trippy, slice. You can see what it will do to it. Screen, pixelate, and you can tap on them and they'll have it, like if you want dots or matrix or shatter, you want it to be shattered, polar or palette or micro, or if you don't want it, push on this, but then if you don't want any, you can just push none. Or maybe don't push pencil, and you can put face retouch, which will retouch the face. And look, you can choose to have smooth skin, white teeth, and what that means. It might load for a little bit, but face touch applied. You want intensity. Here's the original. Here's the real one. You want white teeth. We're gonna make white teeth. And I think you get the point that you can do those, and you can really show the original. And you can apply it, auto focus, auto enhance. And what we can do, we search a J. We can do brightness. Oh no, that's too bright. Darker, lighter. Look at that. It's kind of in the shadows. Too much sun, and even does that frame. So you can just play around with that, and you can restore the original. And here, if that loads, there's the original picture, and you can choose any picture you'd like to do. And if you push like that, never mind, back. I don't know how I get back. And yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to give our channel a like and subscribe and stuff. Bye.